In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce support case. If you're managing your customer service operations, knowing how to efficiently create and manage support cases in Salesforce can be a game changer. Let's take you through a step-by-step guide to ensure you can smoothly handle this process. First things first, you need to log into your Salesforce organization. Go to your login page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with your Salesforce dashboard where all the magic happens. Now direct your attention to the app launcher. It's your gateway to all the apps available in Salesforce. Click on it and a search bar will appear. Type in Cases and click on the Cases app to navigate there. This is where you manage all your support inquiries. Once you're in the Cases section, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled New. Clicking this button will start you on your journey to creating a new support case. Here's where you get to input the specifics of your customer's issue. When the new case form appears, you'll notice a variety of fields that need your attention. Let's begin with the status. Here, you'll indicate where this case currently stands in your workflow. You can set it to new if you're just starting on it, working if it's currently being handled, or another stage depending on your process. Next, choose the case origin. This is how the customer reached out to you, perhaps through a phone call, an email, or via your web portal. Now, setting the priority is crucial. Consider the urgency of the situation. Is it a low, medium, or high priority? This helps your team manage workload effectively and ensures critical issues are resolved swiftly. Move on to contact name. Here, you specify who reported the issue. This might be vital for future interactions or follow-ups. The next field is account name, which ties the issue back to a specific company or organization. This linkage provides context and helps in maintaining comprehensive records. For the subject, a brief but clear summary of the issue is needed. This helps anyone from your team quickly understand what the case entails without reading through the entire description. Speaking of the description, this field is where you get into the nitty-gritty details. Provide clear, detailed information about the problem to help the support team resolve it efficiently. The more information you include here, the better equipped your team will be to provide a solution. Finally, after you've filled in all these fields, double check everything to ensure accuracy and completeness, then click Save. And there you have it, you've just successfully created a support case in Salesforce. Regularly updating the information and status of your cases can significantly enhance your service delivery. Thanks for watching and happy case managing.